In today's competitive manufacturing landscape, achieving operational excellence is crucial for success. Analytics has emerged as a powerful tool to drive manufacturing excellence by providing manufacturers with the insights they need to optimize their processes, improve product quality, and enhance efficiency. In the book, we speak about the best practices for adoption of the data analytics in cohesion with IoT platforms. With the rise of AI and ML, the manufacturing world is transforming, and the book provides insights on how different AI ML models are being leveraged in the manufacturing ecosystem with clear use cases. With real world examples on predictive maintenance, quality management analytics, production planning and forecasting, or even conversational AI for actual manufacturing execution, the book will provide you guidance in the practical world. The book will act as a guiding tool in your journey with the reference architecture models and insights on the roles of the stakeholders in the adoption of data analytics use cases. The book will also provide insights on how SAP is transforming manufacturing analytics world, with several standard services available on SAP Business Technology Platform, just like SAP Data Sphere, SAP Analytics Cloud, Build Process Automation, and other SAP AI services to manage the entire lifecycle of your AI algorithms.